Hi there, we're going to show you how to make these really simple Christmas decorations from FIMO clay.
We've got a bauble, a penguin, a reindeer and this really cute gingerbread man.
If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel so that you don't miss out on all the new content.
Keep watching and we'll show you how to make these.
For this project you will need FIMO clay in black, white, red, brown, light brown, orange and green. The template, a rolling pin, a sharp knife, a wooden skewer and some twine. For the little penguin, start by rolling out a piece of black FIMO to a thickness of about 3mm. Then roll out some white clay to about half the thickness. This is going to sit on top. Place the penguin template onto the clay and score around it. Then remove the template and cut along where you've scored. Repeat to cut the central section from the white FIMO. Smooth any rough edges with your fingers, then place onto the black piece. Cut 2 small feet from a piece of orange clay. Then press these onto the back of the penguin. Cut a small triangle from orange for a beak and press in place. Then add 2 small balls of black for the eyes. For the reindeer, roll out a piece of brown clay and cut around the template the same way that you did with the penguin. Cut out the antlers from dark brown and press them onto the top of the clay. You can use your fingers to blend the 2 pieces together at the back. Make a little red nose by moulding a small piece of clay in your fingers, then add some black eyes as before. Use a knife to gently score into the clay to make legs. Cut small half circles from dark brown clay to make the hooves. To finish, cut a strip of green clay and press it on, starting with the bottom layer to make a scarf. Then trim any excess. Cut out the gingerbread man using the template. Mould some red clay into 2 small cone shapes for a bow tie. Press them into place with a little ball of red in the centre. Add the eyes. Score on a mouth using a sharp knife or a cocktail stick, then press some more black dots onto the tummy for buttons. For the piping, roll thin sausages of white clay, then bend them into a wavy pattern and stick them onto the legs and onto the arms. Finally, to make the marbled bauble, take 2 or more colours of clay that blend well together and roll them into 2 sausages. Twist the sausages together like this and roll together. When it gets long enough, twist it back together and keep rolling and twisting until it's marbled together nicely. Then squish into a ball and roll flat onto your surface. Cut out the bauble using the template. Add a little square of white for the top, blending it into the back of the bauble. Add a little smiley mouth with a tiny black sausage of clay, then add eyes as before. Use a skewer to carefully twist holes into the top of each bauble. Then bake in the oven for 30 minutes at 110 degrees Celsius. Once baked, add some twine to finish your baubles.
Thanks so much for watching. There are loads more Christmas ideas over on the Hobbycraft Ideas Hub.
Happy Christmas and we'll see you next year.